Hello loves, welcome to UniekMakes by Cristina. Today I have a small Temu haul to share with you. So let's go ahead and see what deals I was able to find. Okay, this one is a small haul that I want to share with you, but the first thing I want to share is this pom-pom trim. And this one is light pink, dark pink, and white. Look at that. How pretty is that? Look at that. You got the hanging pom-poms on there. So I was able to get this one. I'm already thinking about Valentine's Day, so I got that. Next thing I have here is this cardstock. Now from this shop, I've been liking the cardstock that it carries. Look at that. So I got a Valentine one here. Look at that. And the quality is really good. It's like they call it postcard. Have that one. Look at that. Positively love. Look at that cutie patootie. You have me at meow. Oh, I love it. Meow heart belongs to you. These actually make really nice card fronts also. Sweet dreams. I'm dreaming of you. Me and you. How cute are these? They're super cute. Meant to be. So much love. Loved. Oh, this one's cute. Nap time. This one you just got the two kittens on top of each other. Sweetheart. Cuddle buddies. And then you got a cat that came out of a box. Oh, look at that. And coffee cups. Look at this cutie. Oh my goodness, these are so cute. Love. Life is better with you. And then we got that one. So like I said, it's good quality. It's not thin. It's a good cardstock. So I was able to get that. And then here I hauled, this is a necklace. But the reason I got it, because I want the pendant here. I use these for beadable pins. So I got this one, the black rose. Real pretty. So I got that one. I also hauled some Valentine bags. Got this for packaging. I want to say you get 100, and I thought you get like I think you get 4 different styles. Look at that. I don't want to show any glare. You get the two cats. How cute is that? You get that one. You get the hearts. And then let's see what's in there. Yeah. Another style is the elephants, and then you do get the other heart. So yeah, so this one comes with 4 different styles. Love it. And like I said, you get 100 of those. Those ones here. So the next thing I got is some dies. This one is, I want to say sheep. And I know this one was going to be small. Look at that one. How cute is he? So I have to cut this one. And I'm showing videos where I'm cutting the actual dies. And then this one here is the Christmas tree. Look at that. So it does come with the main piece, the outer piece, and then you do have some extra stuff to add to it. So I'll hold that one. Oh, these are, I want to say DTFs. Or no, these are, yeah, heat transfers. Yeah, these are heat transfers. So you heat them up and just put them on whatever. You could do it on bags, shirts, hats, anything. If you do a fabric journal, you can even use that on those. But look how pretty that is. So I got that one. Another thing I hauled here, this is actually a really good size. Now this is basically just a round background type die, but they do have the little squares in there, so other stuff cuts out. It's actually real nice. I like this. Yeah, I'll have to test this, see how this cut. And I know it is connected by the little metal, so it might, I think it cuts out, but I'll test this and see how that cuts. I'll test it, and then for those who are new to the die cuts, you'll know if you, after you run it the first time, you can see if it's supposed to come out or not, but usually these do come out. So I got that one there, another background. Here's another one here. Yeah, these do come out. The little metal is what you need to break it off. So I have that one. Look at that. Oh, this one might be damaged. Yeah. Yeah, see how that one's messed up right there? That's a defect. I'm going to have to get a refund on that one. Oh, perm. I'm going to have to reorder that one. So I got that. The next one I hauled here was another square one. And like I said, you will cut the little things off. Now that I see the little notches. But it basically does a whole cut, and then you could piece in other colors in it. So I hauled this big square, and that's actually really big. And then here goes another one. Now this is basically the same type of style, except this is giving you like a rugged look, and this gives you, here goes the inner piece for it. It's just a real slim one. So yeah, so I got that one. Another one I have here is this frame. It does have the trees, and it has stairs and a moon. This was a pretty cool one to try out. Wow, that's actually pretty nice. Pretty nice. And then I also have this square one. This one's all bent, so yeah, I gotta refund that one. That's another perm. But that one's bent. That's bad. Well, yeah, it does cut a frame, and you do get the cars and then the sunset. So there's another reorder. I'll get them to replace it. But yeah, so that, well, I got two damaged ones, which is perm. But this one does look like a nice little fun die. So hopefully they still have it. Yeah, so that is my little haul that I have today. It wasn't that big. This one had mainly dies that I wanted to try out. And I will be doing a video on the dies. And I'm going to have to get the refund or replacement of the other ones. But yeah, I'll leave all the links below to all the products if it's available. Make sure you subscribe. Leave a comment below and let me know what's your favorite or which die you would like me to try first. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye-bye.